Users have reported on some support forums that they cannot open certain applications in Windows 10 and Windows 11 because of this error. Now, if the same thing is happening to you, here's what you can try to do. First on the list, run the Windows Store application troubleshooter. You can do it by opening Settings, click Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters to see the list of troubleshooting tools, and to open Windows Store apps, click the Troubleshooters Run option. Now select to apply all potential resolutions suggested by the troubleshooter. Next up, run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. You just have to open the problematic app, right-click on it, select Compatibility Troubleshooter, select an application you need to fix, and then click Next to try its recommended settings. Lastly, what you can try to do is run Deployment Image Scan and the System File Checker scans. To do that, open Start menu, find Command Prompt with admin rights, run the Deployment Image and Servicing Scan by executing this command, press Enter. Then after that, start the SFC scan by inputting this text, then press Enter again. Now we have to wait until the file scan has finished and shown an outcome in the command prompt. Afterwards, you can now close Command Prompt on your computer. Those are the different ways on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.